Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add images to a folder in Canva. So once you're inside Canva, if you find any image that you like and would like to add that image to a folder, it's very easy. So let's say I want to take this image here and I would like to add this to a folder. All I have to do is simply right click on the image and you will find the option that says info. Click on info. Now from here you will see it shows add to a folder. Click on that and here you will have options that you can choose for. You have your project and you can click on that and choose, or you can create a new folder. Name it whatever you want. So I'm going to say this, I'm going to call this one test, right, or test folder, and then go ahead and click and move to new folder and you will see that it's now added to the folder. And you may be wondering, okay, how do I go ahead and find that folder? So in order to find that folder, all you have to do is simply go ahead and look towards the left hand side and you want to look for project. So once you click on project, it's going to expand and you have all design folders and image. So you want to go ahead and click on folders and you can easily go ahead and find that folder, and you will see once you open the folder the images there. So if you're working with various images and you like to add certain image that you find and you like to use them in the future, adding them to a folder is a very smart, it's a smart way to organize and to save those images for future use. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.